Hi, my name is Kavita. I am a coding and robotics curriculum developer at CodeRobo. In this video, I'll guide you through the following steps: how to access premium pathways, how to purchase an educator's package, how to add learners to your classroom, and how to track learners' progress. Step 1. Signing into CodeRobo. To get started, go to CodeRobo.com and sign in. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and register with your email. Once signed in, you'll be redirected to the home page. Step 2. Buy a premium course. For each classroom, you will need to buy a separate course. Click on Education in the top menu, then select Premium Pathways. You'll be taken to the course fees page, where all the available courses are listed. To get started with Grade 5 Skilled Robocoders, click Add to Cart. You will notice that the cart shows $0. That's because you get a 7-day free trial with no charges applied. After the trial, the recurring total will be $20 every 6 months. Click Proceed to Checkout, fill in your details like full name, last name, country, and payment method. Then check the box to agree to the terms and condition, and then click Place Order. Once enrolled, your course will appear under Enrolled Courses on your dashboard, showing one active course. Step 3. Purchase an educator's package. Now that you have the course, it's time to buy the educator's package. Click on Education from the top menu, then select Educator's Classroom. Here, you'll find different educator packages based on the number of learners. For example, if you want to manage up to 100 students, click Add to Cart, then View Card. After that, proceed to Checkout. Enter your details, including your card numbers and your security code, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Place Order. Once done, your order will be confirmed. Now, you have everything you need: the course and the educator's classroom package. Step 4. How you can access the educator's dashboard. Go to CodeRobo app. On the left side, you will see 3 options: Learning Dashboard, Educator Dashboard, and Log Out. To learn how the Learning Dashboard works, check out our separate video on that. For now, click on Educator Dashboard. Here, you can see the courses bought. In this case, one course for Grade 5. Step 5. Creating a classroom. To get started, click on Create Classroom. Give your classroom a name. For example, Grade 5 Batch 1. Then select the appropriate pathway. Here, we only have Grade 5 Skilled Robocoders, and then click Create Classroom. You'll see a confirmation pop-up saying Classroom created successfully. Step 6. Adding learners to the classroom. Scroll down and select the classroom Grade 5 Batch 1. To add a new learner, enter their first name, last name, and a unique username. For example, first name Jane, last name Doe, and username JaneDoe1. Click Submit and you'll see a pop-up confirming student edit successfully. The learners will now appear in your educator's dashboard under Grade 5 Batch 1 section. You can repeat this process to add more learners. Make sure every username is unique, as learners will use their classroom ID and username to log in. Step 7. Previewing course content as an educator. Once your learners are added, you can preview the course content yourself. Click on Learning Dashboard and you'll see assigned pathways. Skilled Robocoders. Click on Learn Concepts to explore the structured content you'll be teaching. Step 8. The learner's logging experience. Now let's see how learners will access their coding missions. Direct your learners to CodeRobo.com and ask them to click on CodeRobo app. They'll land on the login page at CodeRobo.com/login, where they'll need to enter their classroom ID and username. For example, classroom ID is N27JU. Username is JaneDoe1. After clicking Login, they'll be successfully redirected to their dashboard. Once logged in, learners will see all available modules. It's important to note that the learners can only access coding missions. They will not see the structured content. That part is for the educators only. To begin, the learners clicks Start Now and selects a module. For example, the first module, a learner can attempt a simple Python mission, follow the sequence. They'll read the on-screen instructions, write their code, such as importing the CodeRobo module and using a command like CodeRobo.moveForward by X, followed by the number of steps, and click Run to execute it. Once the mission is complete, the learners can view their progress directly on their dashboards. Step 9. Tracking learner progress. And as an educator, you can also monitor each learner's progress from your Educator dashboard. Simply find the learner, for example Jane Doe, and click View Progress. You'll see a full breakdown of how many coding missions they have completed. That's everything you need to know about Educator's dashboard. Create your classroom, add learners, assign the right pathway, and track their progress. You are all set to begin the learning journey with your student.